Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch touchscreen DVD player special for Volvo S80. S80. Okay, this car year is 1998 to 2060 years. Okay, let me introduce. It will come special harness. You can check this audio cable. Will come with a head unit, and this original plug for Volvo. Power and speaker. It is special for no amplifier. If you can't have amplifier, you need to change the wire, rewire to connect this device. Okay, let me show it. You can choose time, this volume button, this DVD player, this buttons, SD card, two SD card slots, some built-in microphone, IR reset hole. Okay, you can choose logo, you can set the Volvo. Okay, and you can change this color. With green, blue, purple, red, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me check all apps are here. It's Bluetooth, built-in Google Maps and Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Let me check the setting. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi. Check the system. About motion, you can check this PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Okay, let me back. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, there is two USB cable. You can check this long cable to USB. Okay, firstly let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check device name Belsee pin number 40. Please turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Click search button to search the device. Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair button. Okay, your phone will get command. Please put 40. Okay, it's changed the color, show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay, hang up. You can stream music from your phone. A to DP. Volume from your phone. Home. Okay. Let me show the USB. It's to USB. Connect USB driver. It will play music automatically. USB 2. You can set the navigation, Google Maps. Okay. This video, you can play video USB 2. It's 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Okay. It also supports video. It's built in DVD player. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.